When we were traveling from Bhaktapur to Palpa, there were an incredible moment happened or occurred that we have captured on my camera. So let's begin.
I know these days have been getting harder, falling apart. It seems like love isn't getting stronger between our hearts. We make it through the day with just enough of hope to try to make a way through the miles of our road. But love keeps holding us through times we wanna fall. I know these days are tough, is that through it all? Or will you be by my side through the darkest days? Or will you be by my side even though I'm in pain?
के भयो ल्याइरहेको छु त हौ ल यहाँ एक्सिडेन्ट भएको छ जाम भएछ ल यस्तो आइरहेछ नि खतरा गएछ नि त जाम होइन त्यही भनेर अति जाम पनि होइन सबले बढेको कारणले रहेछ ग्यारेज
Finally, I'll be putting the vlog videos. So if you are new to my channel, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for new updates of vlog videos. Thank you.